Good morning, my dear students. Our unit test portion completed. Now revision work. Okay, revision work. Do it now. Right. Question number 1. Right. Question number 1. Solve. Question number 1. Solve. Okay. Now, right. Root x minus 1. Right. X by x minus 1 root plus root under x minus 1 by x, okay, equal to 2.5. Find the value of x. Okay, root under x by x minus 1 plus x minus 1 by x equal to 2.5. First let this part, right, consider a whole part. So right, root under x by x minus 1 equal to a. Okay. Now given equation will be, right, a plus 1 upon a plus 1 upon a equal to will be 5 by 2. Sorry, right, 5 by 2. Okay, this will be 5 by 2. Now write a square plus 1 by a into a square, okay, plus 1 by a equal to 5 by 2, equal to 5 by 2. Now cross multiplied, right, 2a square plus 2 equal to 5a, 2a square plus 2 equal to 5a. So write 2a square minus 5a plus 2 equal to 0. Right, 2a square minus 5a plus 2 equal to 0. All of you know Middleton factors. Okay, so write 2a square minus 4a minus a plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, from these two relations take common twice a common a minus 2 minus 1 a minus 2 equal to 0. Take 2a common, 2a into a minus 2 minus 1 into a minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, now all right, a minus 2 into 2a minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, equal to 0. So right, all of you know the product of two terms equal to 0, either this 0 or this 0. Okay, so right, a minus 2 0, that is a equal to 2, and here a equal to half. Now put the value. Okay, now put the value a equal to 2. So write a will be root x by x minus 1 equal to 2. Root of there, so squaring both the sides. X by x minus 1 equal to 4. So write 4x minus 4 equal to x. So 3x equal to 4, x equal to 4 by 3. Okay, again root under x by x minus 1 equal to half, squaring both the sides. So write x by x minus 1, 1 by 4. So 4x equal to x minus 1. Okay, so 3x equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 1/3. So solution, x equal to 4 by 3 and x equal to 1/3. Okay, write first. Next, question number 2. Question number 2. Inequation. Okay, inequation, all of you know. Okay, Acha, I am asking what is the difference between inequation and equation. Can you say? Equation is satisfied by only one value. Suppose if you write x equal to 2, okay, so only one value x equal to 2. Okay, suppose if you write x greater than 2, so there are many values. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is like that. So in equation, okay, in equation satisfied by many values. Suppose condition is given, okay, few condition is given. So in equation, okay, more than one values, but equation, any equation satisfied by only fixed value, one value. Okay, and in equation more value. Equation single valued, okay, linear equation one value, quadratic equation two values, like that, but in equation more than one values. Okay, that is it represents in equation shaded region, one region represents, but equation, suppose linear graph on the straight line. Okay, there are many points are there in equation. Suppose 2x plus 3y equal to 4 or 12 or 6. Okay, there are many points are there. Okay, the line, it represents straight line, but in equation represents one shaded part. Okay, in equation, suppose x belongs to real number, x belongs to integer, x belongs to whole number, all of you know. Okay, now write, solve and draw the number line. Solve and draw the number line. Okay, solve the number. Right, question number 2. Right, 4x minus 19 less than 3x by 5 minus 2 less or equal to minus 2 by 5 plus x, given x belongs to R, real number is given. Okay, first you take, suppose we are taking this part. So case 1, write, you can write that case 1. Okay, first condition. So write 4x minus 19 less than 3x by 5 minus 2. X one side you take first. So write 4x minus 3x by 5 less than minus 2 plus 19. This minus 9 you take right hand side. Okay, so here 5 4 20 x minus 3x by 5 less than 17. Okay, 17. So write 17x by 5 less than 17. Okay, both 17 have to cancel, so you have to write x less than 5. So one solution we are getting x less than 5. Note it down, hurry up. X less than 5. variable first you take one side and constant term you take another side. Okay. Now simple easy method, you simplified 4x minus 3x by 5. So 20x minus 3x by 5 less than 17. Okay. So 17x by 5 less than 17, x cancel, x less than 5. Now second condition. Okay. Case 2. Now second condition I am writing. Second condition, write 3x by 2, write 3x by 5 minus 2 less or equal to minus 2 by 5 plus x. Okay, minus 2 by 5 plus x. You take x one side, so write 3x by 5 minus x less or equal to 2 minus 2 by 5. So write 3x minus 5x by 2 less or equal to 10 minus 2, that is 8 by 5. Okay. Sorry. Here write 5. 3x minus 5x by 5. So write minus 2x by 5 less or equal to 8 by 5. Both 5 cancel. Now look at a very important place is there. Children, look at the board. 8. See, x side negative is there. So if we multiply it by minus sign, both the sign you have to multiply it. Then this sign will be changed. Keep in mind, very important place. Okay. So write twice x greater than or equal to minus 8. If you do not change the sign, though your answer will be wrong, you will not get proper answer. Children, understood? Yes. So write x greater than or equal to minus 4. Right, x greater than or equal to minus 4. And previous time we got x less than 5. Okay, x less than 5. So previous we got x less than 5. Okay, now we are getting x greater than or equal to minus 4. See, solution set you have to write. See, solution set, right? Solution set, right? Okay, x such that x belongs to R. Real number is given. So minus 4 less or equal to x less than 5. Okay, give bracket, second bracket. This is the solution set. My dear students, this is the solution set x such that x belongs to R. X belongs to R. Minus 4 less or equal to x less than 5. Okay. Now number line. See, write this solution. Number line you have to write. Okay. With the help of scale. Okay. Don't you do in freehand. You have to do in scale. First draw a line. Both the sides. All of you know, arrow sign you give. And middle portion first write this is 0. Right hand side plus 1, that is that side positive, that side negative. All of you know. So write 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. Suppose this is 6. Like that. And here, so this is minus 1. This is minus 2. Minus 3. Minus 4. Okay. Suppose minus 5. Students, keep in mind, this distance should be equal. Keep in mind. Okay. So 1 to this distance, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, keep in mind. this distance always equal. Okay, now look at here, minus 4 equal sign is given, negative, so from 0 negative side minus 4 here, so one straight line give direct line, right? This is direct one line. Again 4 5, that's a 5 positive, so equal sign is not there, so you one curve like that, one curve, because we are not taking this value, or any circle, anyone you can write, no problem is there. Okay, so again one straight line draw, one curve we write like that. Okay, because here 5 is not included. Okay, this is 5 is not included, 4.999 like that, so we are not taking 5. You can give also one circle also, to give like that also give, no problem is there. Okay, this also give. Now shaded part is like that, do only for real number, keep in mind, shaded part only for real number. If you get time, you can write the solution set is shown by thick portion on the number line. You can write also the solution set is shown by thick dot on the number line, Okay, see, x belongs to real number, that is why shaded portion, keep in mind, other than suppose whole number, integer, natural number, only thick dot, keep in mind, only thick dot like that, thick dot you will give. Okay, only for real number, so you will do shaded part. Okay, okay, next sum. All of you understood? Written? Okay. Next, one recurring deposit sum. A person deposited rupees 200 per month. Rupees 200 per month. That means this is principal, monthly installment. Okay, so write question number 3. Write P rupees 200. That is monthly installment for 36 months. So you have to write N equal to 36 months. Okay, if year is given, you convert it into month. 1 year, 12 months. Okay, so if year is given, then you convert it into month. Otherwise, not needed. Okay, suppose here N is given, monthly, that is month is given. Okay, now if the bank pays interest at the rate of 11% per annum, so write R, rate of interest, R equal to write 11%. Okay, 11%. Find the maturity value. Find the maturity value. So all of you know the formula? Yes, my dear children, all of you know the formula. What is the formula? Yes, good. Sit down. Good. Say right. Interest first, right? Interest P n into n plus 1 by 2 into R by 100 into 1 by 12. This formula, just we put the value here. P rupees 200, right? 200 n 36 into 37 by 2, r will be 11 by 100 into 1 by 12. See, 0 cancel, 2 to cancel, 12, 3. Okay, so 3 into 37 into 11. So 11 33 into 37 equal to, so you have to multiply it, and my result will be 1 2 to 1. Okay, 1 2 2 1. So interest, right, interest equal to rupees 1221. Okay, right, interest equal to rupees 1221. And maturity value, so all of you know maturity value already, that is per month you deposited rupees 200, 36 month, so already 36 into 200. Okay, he has already got 7200 will get, and interest, so interest will be after 36 month your interest will be 1221, 1221. Okay, now write maturity value, right? Complete? Yes. So write maturity value. So write maturity value, right? MV equal to, right, MV equal to, right, PN plus interest. So 200 into 36 month plus here is 1221 rupees. Okay, rupees this. So write rupees 7200 plus 1221. So it will be addition, all of you know, 1 2 3, sorry, 4 8, rupees 8421, 8421. Okay, okay, next. Right, another question, right? For what values of m the equation having equal root, question number 4, right, x square plus 2 into m minus 1 into x plus m plus 5 equal to 0. Okay, equal to 0, equal root. So all of you know for equal root, yes, good, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So write here a1, so a equal to 1, b equal to 2 into m minus 1, and c equal to m plus 5, c equal to m plus 5. Okay, so write for equal root b square minus 4ac equal to 0, d equal to, right, b square minus 4ac. Okay, so write 2 into m minus 1 whole square minus 4, a means 1, 4ac. Okay, so 4 into 1, c will be m plus 5 equal to 0. So write 4 into m minus 1 whole square, 4 into m plus 5 equal to 0. Both side 4 cancel, no need to multiply. Okay, you cancel. So write m minus 1 whole square minus m plus 5 equal to 0. So write m square minus 2m plus 1 minus m minus 5 equal to 0. So write m square minus 3m minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, now factors, it will be m minus 4 into m plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so write m equal to 4 and m equal to minus 1. So answer will be m equal to 4 and m equal to minus 1. Okay, right, m equal to 4, m equal to minus 1. Okay, Now question number 5. Question number 5, right? Here suppose x equal to h plus a cos theta, y equal to k plus a sin theta. Okay, prove that x minus h এর whole square, x minus h এর whole square plus y minus k এর whole square equal to a square. Okay, a square. Just we put the value left hand side, right? Very easy sum. Put the value x equal to h plus a cos theta. Put h plus a cos theta minus h whole square plus y, that is k plus a sin theta, okay, minus k whole square. So right, h is cancelled. So a square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta, k cancel. So right, a square common, cos square theta plus sin square theta. All of you know sin square cos square 1. So right, it will be a square, proved. See, so this will be RHS, proved. Left hand side equal to right hand side. Okay. Just first very easy sum is there. You put the value here and here put the value. You will get the result. Okay. Sin square cos square all of you know 1. So it will be a square. Next sum, right? Right. Next sum. An integer, probability sum. An integer is chosen from 1 to 15. 1 to 15 integer is given. So write total possible outcome 15. So write question number 8, right? Total possible outcome equal to 15. Okay. Question number 6, right? Total possible outcome 15. Find the probability, then selected integer will be divisible by 4. Now find favorable outcome. Okay, so divisible by 4, right? Divisible by 4. Okay, so how many numbers are there? Yes, right. 4 also, 8 also, 12 also. 3 numbers. Okay, 3 numbers are divisible by 4. Okay, 4, 8 and 12. So you have to write favorable outcome. Okay, favorable outcome equal to 3. So write required probability divisible by 4 is given. So write required probability equal to, you have to write number of favorable outcome, okay, outcome by total number of possible outcome, total number of possible outcome. Okay, total number of possible outcome. Okay, so will be, we are getting 3 by 15, that is 1 by 5. This is the answer. Okay, probability should be greater than 0, less than 1 or equal to 1. Okay, keep in mind. Least value will be 0, that is impossible event of probability 0. Okay, yes. And sure event 1. So this is answer. Okay. No more today. You will do remaining sum. Okay. Everything is given in study material. Okay, my dear students. Okay. Bye.